So I was pleasantly surprised to see a new update coming up on the infotainment system of my new Kia Seltos. So this basically comes up as soon as you start the car, you leave it on for like 2 to 3 minutes and the network connectivity improves. You get the update directly on your car screen and the car will automatically start downloading the update to your car system. So depending on the speed of the network, the download will happen in a span of about 5 to 10 minutes. So once that's completed, the car infotainment system moves on to show you that it is preparing to install the vehicle system software. So this preparation phase also takes about 5 to 10 minutes and you will have to patiently wait for this to complete in the car. Of course, you can turn off the car, but I wouldn't recommend that. I would recommend that you go through the entire process at one shot for a proper installation. So once the preparation is complete, you will get the screen that updates are in progress and that it's ready to install the vehicle system software. And of course, you also get a notification on the right top corner saying that the update will start immediately after turning off the vehicle. So this is basically a prompt for you to turn off the vehicle for the update process to complete. So go ahead and turn off the engine of the car, and as soon as you do, you get a new notification on the screen and it says the vehicle system update is ready. So you need to click on the update now button. It also says the total update time is about 14 minutes and you can get into the details of the update wherein Kia has provided in detail what they've done. So this basically provides the following improvements, which include improvements made to the user experience and stability. Nothing major. This is kind of a minor update, only improves the software, only improves the system performance. No major feature update, no major upgrade to the existing systems. So click on the start update button and it will take you to the next screen where it will provide you some criteria regarding what needs to be done before the update actually starts. The gear should be in a P mode, the exterior lights should be turned off, the parking brake should be turned on, and the bonnet of the car must be closed. So once these criteria are met, the car will basically automatically start off with the update process. So you have the option of clicking update now or you can click on update later. So I just clicked on the update now button. So the update will proceed accordingly and the system, or should I say the infotainment display, will turn off after a few minutes. So once the infotainment system has turned off, the next thing which you need to do is just notice that the parking assistance LED will start blinking, along with the fact that the engine start stop button LED will also start blinking. So this is an indication that the installation is in progress, the system update is in progress. So once you get a notification on your Kia Connect app regarding the update that the update has been completed, go ahead and turn on your car, and once the car is turned on, the main home screen comes up. You will get a notification straight up in the middle of the screen that the update is completed and the latest software version is 26.06.1. So this is the main software update version and the update details are as follows. Improvements have been made to user experience and stability. That's all. No major updates, no ADAS related updates or feature related updates or upgrades to existing system. Only a back-end system experience has been improved and the stability of the platform has been improved. So this is pretty much the update process for the Kia Seltos 2026. I hope you like this video. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button of Gizmobeep.